time for what is arguably the most important lecture in the entire course, defining a purpose. And I say this because failing to define a purpose probably represents the #1 reason that most dashboards fail. A dashboard should be built to serve a single, clearly defined purpose. And I know we all dream of the perfect, one-size-fits-all dashboard that ideally suits every person that looks at it, but the reality is that it doesn't exist, nor should it. Each dashboard should be tailored to a specific audience and address their specific needs. So, how do we define this purpose? Well, you can start by asking yourself these questions. #1, who is the end user? Now, this question is all about identifying the audience. So who is going to benefit from using your dashboard? And if we go off the definition of a dashboard, then this will be the person or the people that need to understand the data in order to make decisions. #2, what do they need? So now that you know exactly who the audience is, you need to understand their key business goals and objectives, and the types of decisions that they'll need to make to reach them. So in other words, what questions do they need answers to in order to act? And finally, how can data help? Because at the end of the day, what your dashboard can provide for them starts and stops with the data that you have available to you. So how can you visualize and display this data to help answer the questions they may have and inspire them to take action? Again, pro tip just to really hammer this home, think like a business owner before you think like an analyst. So before you begin the design process, before you start making any charts, really take the time to understand the outcomes that you're trying to impact, the stakeholders and their motivations, and the specific purpose your dashboard will serve. Because if you can't concisely answer these questions, then your dashboard probably isn't going to help anyone.